let's create a new script. Is Raycast. So yeah, into the we don't have any empty object over here, right? So we're going to create an empty object for Raycast script. To attach this one to this script. In the Raycast, we're going to write very simple code. My Ray. I'm kind of bad typer. Raycast heat. Raycast heat. And yeah, we're going to instantiate game object. So public game object, new object here. And then we don't need start actually. Update array equal to camera dot main dot screen point to array and input mouse position. So this is find the mouse position of from the screen. So, and then if my array hit some out and hit any fix, we use the get the position of the positions, but the inside of the Raycast, I mean, of course we can add the position function later, but for now we have to use a hit point, because since the Raycast keys not get the position itself, it gets the point where it's going to be hit. So within this, I mean, meantime I brought the new cube into the prefab, and yeah, so here when I play it, where is it? Yeah, it's going to create the cube, and yeah, like this, and here, everywhere. I mean, of course it depends on your prefabs. I'm just using the cube for now. So it creates